Hey guys, my name is Oshun the Great, and welcome to my beautiful channel. Now you know I have to do a review on J.Cole's album of the year. a lot of you guys know I'm a huge J.Cole fan. Otherwise, in my video, I hate J.Cole, which was like clickbait as hell. But other than that, I really enjoyed the freestyle. I feel like I wanted more from it though, more like more like shit talking, more like more like, you know, I'm going ham on these boys' asses. Like, I don't know why I felt like that, but otherwise it was a really clean kind of freestyle. I felt like it was very family oriented, basically very lighthearted. You could tell he wasn't really taking it serious. Honestly, I was surprised to see a freestyle by him because I can't recall ever seeing a freestyle by J. Cole, even though being a long-time fan, which is probably bad, but I haven't seen a freestyle from him, so I enjoyed it. More so, I enjoyed his style in the video. You know, I'm a woman, I'm checking out all of that. His style was just so humble. He's still rocking the J's, his favorite shoes, very humble clothes, very humble hair. Very relatable. So it's crazy because he might have a lot of money now, but you can never even tell because he acts from a humble standpoint. But more so, I just felt like I wanted more oomph to the freestyle, but obviously it was just for fun. And in the end, he was kind of like saying, okay, come see me live on tour, which was really nice but really funny. And I felt that was like, you know, yeah, I feel like that's where the real action is gonna happen, out on tour. I like how he has been influencing hip-hop lately, as far as like, just like, you can tell he reached this comfort zone in his career where he doesn't have to work hard. He doesn't have, it comes so natural, it comes so easy. It doesn't even look like he lifts a fucking finger, you know, but you can tell he earned it. So and honestly, he's a hip-hop legend at this point, and nobody can tell him shit, and I congratulate him on that, to be honest. So that's pretty much what I thought about it. It was very simple for me. I like all the references to all the race wars all the time. I always like that shit. He always stands up for black communities. Talks about how hip-hop needs to like level up, how people need to educate themselves in hip-hop and what it's all about. Even in business, like, basically he touches on how not to sleep on yourself. You know, get educated on what you're trying to do, what you're trying to be master at. So people don't rip you off and shit. What else? I don't know, overall, like, it was like a cute song. But I just wish there was more, to be honest. And I'm just for real being a real J. Cole fan. I want to start doing reaction videos, so like having it playing and then reacting on the spot, because you'll know more on what I'm trying to say. But off rip, it was pretty decent. I'm actually hoping to catch him somewhere close by at the KOD tour. So honestly, if somebody want to buy me tickets, by all means, go ahead. But yeah, that's my little input. As always, you guys, be dope, be unapologetically, be your authentic self like J. Cole teaches. Be bomb.